Class 8th Science, Chapter 1, Force and Pressure. Force is a push and pull, measure in Newton. Types: contact, non-contact. Contact, friction applied. Non-contact, magnetic, gravitation, electrostatic. Can change object size, shape, rest, motion when divided into acts such as pressure. Pressure measure in Pascal, Newton per meter, 10 per centimeter square. Calculate PF upon A. Pressure in fluids increase with depth. In air, atmospheric pressure varies and the help in many ways. And seeking, skilling, cutting vegetable, walking on sand, submarine, sea dive, astronauts suits. Chapter 2, Friction. Friction, a resistive force caused by surface roughness, molecule diffusion, deformation, depend on nature, surface contact, mass, weight on object, type, static, sliding, rolling due to air and water called fluid friction. Fluid friction, also known as air resistant drag, when applied by air, is reduced given by some shape of moving object. Has advantage: rigging, writing, walking, opening door, turning tab, burning matchstick, tying knots. And disadvantage: wearing and tear, slow and down, and wastage of fuel and energy. And can be reduced by applying lubricant, using ball bearing, using wheel, increase by making surface, making moving heavy objects. Chapter 3, Sound. Sound, form of energy, is produced wave, compression and refraction, is produced by vibration, is a rapid and back forth motion. Form of the produced vocal cord in larynx and voice box. Need medium to travel, solid, liquid, gas. Vacuum में travel नहीं करती है. Shared by ear, consist of outer ear, collect vibration. Middle ear lies between outer ear and eardrum. Inner ear has fluid, send electrical impulses. Brain and the characteristic amplitude determine loudness, frequency determine pitch, wavelength, time period, speed depend on the natural material, temperature, physical state. Chapter 4, Chemical effect of electric current. Electric current passes through some liquid by the process electrolysis. Application: electro-refilling, metallurgy, or in submarine, electroplating is used to prevent corrosion and decorate. And the electro passes through electrolytes, example water, acid. And when impurity mix, conductive increase. Electrodes: anode, cathode connected to positive terminal battery, connected to negative terminal battery. Movement of ion, anion, cation, negative charge, cation, positive charge. Not pass to liquid, not electrolyted, oil and alcohol. Chapter 5, Light, Reflection and Refraction. Light, form of energy, reflection, to bounce back of light, follow angular incident ray, reflected ray, and normal light, same plane type, regular, diffuse through the plane mirror, give image, has characteristic virtual and upright and same height as object, later inverted at same from the mirror to object of mirror. And from multiple surface of continuation, multiple reflection has application, periscope, kaleidoscope, mirror, barber shop and saloon. And the refraction अगर light ray burn their different medium, and example gas to solid, air to glass, gas to liquid, air to water, solid to solid, glasses to water, causes dispersion of light, splitting white in 7 colors. And the help human eye to work, defect, myopia, hyperemia, cataract, astigmatism, parts, cornea, pupil, lens, retina, sight for image formation, and then formation, optic nerve, send signal to brain. Chapter 6, Subnatural phenomena. Natural phenomena, lighting and earthquake. Lighting is an example of electric discharge, involve electric charge, occur to electric charge in the air cloud. How using lighting conductor are produce electron, interact with each other, can be produce object, interest, electricity can be transfer charge object, electron like charges repel each other, attract each other, friction, conduction, invection. And the earthquake is sudden shaking of the earth layer, crust, mantle, core from lithosphere of plate. And can, for example, electroscope used to demonstrate principle electrostatics type with a ball or gold ball. Earthquake occur and step crust friction between the plates, high pressure formation, seismic wave or major seismograph is a hazards. Chapter 7, Our solar system. Our solar system combines of star, planet, small body, satellite, star, luminous body make constellation give out. Example: the sun, constellation group of star, Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, Orion. Planet: inner Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Outer: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Dwarf planet. Small body: asteroid, comet, meteor, meteoroids. Satellite: natural satellite. Example: Terran, Europa. Moon causes high and low tide, revolve around the Earth. Satellite: artificial artificial type, navigation, communication, astronomy, earth observation, weather. Chapter 8, combustion and fossil fuel. Fuels are combustible, catch fire and has flames, and the burn to air, heat and light combustion, rapid spontaneous explosion, hydrocarbon, complete, incomplete, fire extinguisher, soda, acid, CO2, flame, thin zone, outer, the hottest zone, middle, moderate zone, inner, the coolest zone, type, solid, coal, liquid, petrol, gas, CNG, called fossil fuels. Fossil fuel renewable and should be conserved. Limitation, limited quantity, air pollution, global warming, acid rain, and formation under earth crust exist by the fractional distillation, produce lubricant oil, perfume wax, fuel oil, diesel, kerosene, gas line, petroleum, liquid petroleum gas. Chapter 9, metal, non-metal elements. Metals from iron, copper, aluminum, physical property, extract and the solid state, luster, non-luster, ductility, duster, strong, electric, thermal conductor, high melting point, chemical property, react with oxygen, basic property, react with water, metal oxide, hydrogen gas form, react with acid to salt, hydrogen gas, some of the dense zinc react sodium hydroxide and salt and hydrogen gas, and also the when mixed with homogeneity they form alloys, steel, bronze, and the non-metal. For example, physical property, exist solid, liquid gas, non-luster, non-solar, non-malleable, not ductile, generally a low melting point, boiling point, chemical property, react to oxygen, non-reactive with acid, they lead to complex reaction with bases. Chapter 10, synthetic fiber and plastics. Polymer, synthetic fiber, plastic, synthetic fiber, types of the rayon, first synthetic fibers, artificial silk, nylon, first synthetic fiber, acrylic replacement board, acceptance known as lycra, Isaac for polyester, smallest ester, wrinkle, elastin fiber, advantage more durable, as explained, natural fiber have good elasticity, advantage of different ability of wrinkle resistance, disadvantage poor water absorption, catch fire easily, not comfortable, plastic type, pollution type, thermoplastic can be heating, thermoplastic cannot be remodeled, pollution, the hammer, the recharging water and the land pollution, health hazard, causes loss of life. Chapter 11, air and water pollution. Pollution, air, causes chimneys, factories, vehicles, burning fossil fuel, effect, global warming, acid in ozone, loss of biodiversity, prevention, burning fossil fuel, use public carpooling, use CNG, PNG, use alternative source of energy, afforestation, water causes domestic industrial oil supply, effect, eutrophication, loss of aquatic, loss of soil fertility, loss of vegetation, prevention, burning of the garbage, water body, avoid of discharge, water body, follow law, sewage water treatment for water pollution, involve the screening, sedimentation, environment, distillation, storage, distribution. Chapter 12, cell structure and function. Cells are basic unit of living matter, are classified into currently animal cell, plant cell, animal cell which is made of nucleus, cytoplasm, vacuole cell membrane, plant cell which is made of nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane, structure of the found animal like one large vacuole, calcep and greastum, and the basic living and the kinds of eukaryotic cell and nuclear membrane नहीं होती, nuclear membrane होती है, and the basic the form of the tissue से organ system which form an organism, and the particular type of the special particular function is an example of division of labor. Chapter 13, microorganism. Microorganism cannot see we can see with microscope, nectar, bacteria, alga, and viruses, nectar, mushroom, fungus, types of bacteria. Virus shape unicellular, prokaryotic cell wall present, fungi, multicellular microscope, black chlorophyll, saprophyta, parasite, alga, unis and multicellular microscope contain chlorophyll, protozoa, and microscope, unicellular plastic, the euglena, virus, a link between living and non-living organism, microscope, protein contain nuclear DNA, RNA, varies in shape and size. Useful commercial dairy, forest, beverage manufacturing, baking, toothpaste, medical, antibiotic, vaccine, food supplement, agriculture, nitrogen fixation, nitrogen cycle, agriculture, decompose, dead and decayed harmful cause, disease, plant and animal causes, food spoil, can be checked, food conservation, boiling, dehydration, canning, freezing, chemical sun, pasteurization, irritation. Chapter 14, reproduction in human and animals. Reproduction, asexual, budding, hydra, beneficial amoeba, fragmentation, plantia, and asexual in the large laying eggs called oviparous animals. Example, butterfly, frog, fish, giving birth young one called viviparous animals. Example, the human involved horse, cow, and the involved male reproductive system consists semicell, vessel, prostogal gland, veins, different reference fluid on semen, a mixture of the sperm and the vein, ovum, the egg cell, fertilizing zygote, form करेगा zygote से embryo, boy, girls, और पहले फोटोस्फीयर इम्प्रूव बनेगा और सिम्बी सेमिसल वेसल्स वाज डिफरेंट टेस्टेस प्रोड्यूस स्पर्म पेनिस वैगिना यूरेथेरा can at different time and sperm and the female reproductive consists of vagina receive sperm passing from the bone cervix narrow opening uterus there is a zygote the embryo ovary produced egg and ova fallopian tube curvy ovum to uterus. Chapter 15 Adolescence and Human Hormone. Adolescence is the form of transition childhood over physical and emotional called puberty and the girls and boys and girls adolescence girls in the reproductive organ hair body menstruation boys reproduction this hair in glands 8 10 to 15 year discharge in the ovum and the involved hormone change due to hormone secreted endocrine system is made of pituitary gland thyroid TDT for pancreas insulin adrenaline adrenaline ovaries estrogen or testosterone and demand more nutritive, careful and personal hygiene. Crop production and management. Crop production is the crop of the Rabi and Kharif crop and shade November to April, June to October, Jaid, March to June, Raj Kabjag, agriculture activity, other ways to crop yield, crop production, mixed rotation, involves soil preparation, selecting, sowing seed, irrigation, traditional irrigation, Mog, Dagli, Rahat, and the sprinkle drip irrigation, measuring crop irrigation using pesticide, insecticide, and harvesting, storage, and involve animal husbandry, gives milk, egg, honey. Chapter 17 Biodiversity. Biodiversity is the degree of variation encompasses plant, animal, microorganism, ecosystem, involves species, habitat, endemic flora and fauna, and loss, extinction species caused to deforestation. Rapid change growth of the species, pollination, deforestation has an adverse effect. The natural calamity, global warming, soil infertility, and because of the urbanization, population increase, and the conservation, reforestation, protection from insect, pest, and organism involved. The CBD State Protect Area, Wildlife Sanctuary, National Park, Biosphere Park, and Red List and Red Data Book, Endangered, Extinct, and Vulnerable. Class 8th Science finish.